It's NIST. Really, hold on. Let me show my screen here. Okay, so yeah, NIST released an overlay for AI. It's going to be built on top of NIST 853. They're working on it right now as we speak. And so let's get into this a little bit, just to give you an overview, just so you're in the know about this. NIST is National Institute of Standards and Technologies. These are the guys who created NIST 800 Risk Management Framework, NIST Cybersecurity Framework, and a whole bunch of other awesome tools and frameworks that all of us use, whether you know it or not. Anyway, so they realized that there's an issue where so many organizations, be they government, public, private sector, are starting to dip their toe in AI. So they realize, okay, we've got to get something in place. So what they are starting to do is develop a NIST special publication 800 53 control overlay, specifically designed for securing AI systems. So what are they doing here is they already developed a concept paper, which I think I'll show you here. Yeah, I've got a link here to it. Concept paper presents a NIST response to urgent need for standardization of cybersecurity controls for AI technologies to increase integrated into critical infrastructures and business operations. So we're talking about people using AI in hospitals and energy sector to manage the grid. All kinds of stuff is happening right now. It's going to take a while, but they're already starting to develop stuff like this. I'm seeing it where I used to work. They started developing stuff like that. And there really is a need for something that's robust to give us some guidance, because there's just a lot going on. And it's not like it's secure.